Let me tell you about Sarah. 30 days, and that's all it took for her to go from counting the days until payday to feeling safe with her money. And let me be clear, that didn't happen because she suddenly earned more. It happened because she stopped doing one thing that was keeping her stuck and started doing 3 simple things that you can also start today. And if you are also living with that same fear that one surprise bill could break everything, stay with me. This might be your turning point, just like it was Sarah's. Sarah told me that she used to live with that knot in her stomach, the kind where you're scared to open up your bank app because you already knew what's going to say. And that ends here. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you the exact same 3-step system that helps Sarah go from paycheck panic to finally having a little cushion, even when her income was tight. This is simple, this is doable, and this works. You're about to learn how to budget and stop living paycheck to paycheck in 3 simple steps. There's a lie that we're all taught. You need a complicated budget to get ahead. No, that's what keeps people stuck. People avoid budgeting because they think it's hard. But the real reason isn't budgeting. It is not seeing where your money actually goes. I call this the fog zone. You're paying bills, you're trying your best, but you have no clear picture. And when you can't see, you can't steer. Step number 1, the 72-hour money awareness reset. For the next 72 hours, I want you to do something powerful and simple. And it is a pause, not a punishment, not a strict rule, just pause. And here's how it works. For the next 72 hours, spend on needs only. The rent, your gas, your basic grocery, no gourmet cheese or wine, just the basic, and also bills already due, nothing else. But the magic is this. Every time when you feel the urge to buy something, that coffee, that online card, that little treat, take out your phone and type in, I want this because. That's it. You're not stopping the urge. You are watching it. So after 72 hours, you're starting to see your patterns, your triggers, your emotional spending style. You see, every afternoon, Sarah bought a $7 coffee because she was stressed. And after this 72 hours reset, she wrote, I want this because I feel tired and I want to treat myself. Once she saw the truth, she said, wait, I'm not buying a coffee, I'm buying a break. So she replaced the coffee with a 5 minutes walk instead. And at the end of the month, she saved $140 without feeling punished. So let us know one thing that you buy when you're stressed and write it down below. Step number 2, the $100 buffer system. Now that you can see clearly, it's time to build your first layer of safety. Most people stay trapped because they have zero margin. One unexpected cost, and that's it, the panic. This fixes that. And here is the rule. We call it the buffer. The moment you get paid, move $100 in a separate saving account called the buffer. This money is your peace money, the money that keeps you safe from small surprises. So from today on, if your bank app says $400, your brain should only see $300. Why? Because the first $100 is already saved. It's already doing a job. It's not spending money anymore. It's protection. So your brain learns, this is my real limit. The rest is off limits unless it's an emergency. You keep doing this every paycheck until that buffer grows to $500, enough to stop those little surprises from knocking you over. You see, I taught this young man named Leo. He used to overdraft almost every month, just constantly catching up. He tried the $100 buffer system, and in 5 weeks, he has $500. He told me, Oma, for the first time, I'm not scared of surprise bills. And that is your new life too. So type buffer down below if you're also starting yours this week. Step number 3, paycheck peace plan. This last step changed everything for Leo. And it wasn't a strict budget. It was a peace plan for his paycheck. And here's how he did it, and how you can do it too. He used 3 simple accounts. Account number 1, he called it bills only. 50% for now, but we're aiming at 30% later. This is where your rent, power, phone, insurance, groceries lives. Everything that keeps your life steady. Account number 2, the future you. 30% for now, but we're aiming for 50% later. Your savings, your investment, your $100 buffer, your safety money. This is the account that builds your calm. Account number 3, want or fun money. Keep this around 20%. This is where you treat yourself and enjoy life. The takeout, the coffee, the apps, and the weekend fun. And here's the key. When Leo got paid, the money didn't sit there. It moved gently and on purpose. Bills got their amount, future you got paid early, and fun money got whatever was left. And when fun money hit 0, Leo simply paused his spending without touching his bills, without touching his future you money. And for the first time in his life, he felt in control, not scared, not guessing, not surviving, just calm. This worked because you're separating your feelings from your essential. You're giving your security first and fun second. You're building peace before pleasure, and that's what creates real freedom. Leo's life changed with this simple system. When he first started, he wasn't rolling in money. He was tired. He was stretched thin, and every payday felt like a deep breath, followed by a deeper worry. But he tried this plan anyway, and in just 30 days, he didn't become rich, but he finally had a little breathing room. And that small cushion made him feel safe for the first time in years. That safety turned into consistency, and confidence helped him start making choices that moved him forward, not overnight, not by luck, but step by step, just like you are doing right now. If Leo can grow from that place, you can too. Now, find 3 to 5 buddies who also want to break the paycheck cycle. Share this video with them. Do the 72 hours reset together and build your buffers together. Celebrate your wins together. Money habits are easier to change when you're not doing it alone. And here's a little smile time. Why did the dollar bills start going to therapy? Because he had too many issues. You're doing better than you think. And hey, savvy savers, you show up for your money today, and that is a big deal. But don't stop now. Keep watching the playlist next. That's your roadmap to millionaire habit, fun saving hacks, and money secrets school never teach. Tap subscribe down below so you never miss a new money move, and tell us in the comments what is one positive money choice you have made this week. Maybe you packed lunch, maybe you said no to something you didn't really need, or maybe you saved $20. Every win counts, and we'll cheer you on. You've got this. Your millionaire future starts today, and I'll see you in the next video.